What's the meaning of bronze medal? Bronze medal. Bronze medal.
Bronze medal. Bronze medal. Bronze medal is an award given to the third-place finisher in a sports competition. It is commonly associated with the Olympic Games, but is also awarded in other international and national events. The bronze medal signifies that the recipient has performed exceptionally well, but was not good enough to secure first or second place. It is often seen as a symbol of excellence and dedication to sport. Winning a bronze medal requires hard work, skill, and determination, and it is considered a significant achievement. While not quite as prestigious as gold or silver, it still represents a great accomplishment and a source of pride for the athlete and their country.